Part 2 of the yoga asanas you can do to regularize your period and reverse your PCOS. Let's begin with head to knee forward bend. Begin seated with one leg extended and the other bent, sole against the inner thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, hinge at hips, fold forward over extended leg. Hold your foot or your shin as per your flexibility. Breathe deeply in and exhale and fold forward more. Switch sides and relax. Hold this pose for 30 seconds or 10 deep breath on each leg and practice it twice. Let's practice Utkata Konasana, goddess pose. Stand tall, feet wide apart, bend your knees, sink hips down, arms parallel to the ground, engage your core and breathe deeply. Hold for 10 to 15 deep breaths and relax your legs and come again and practice this 4 to 5 times. Finally, Malasana, the squat pose. Sink down into a deep squat, elbows pressing against your inner thigh. This pose may not be suitable for someone who has knee or ankle injuries. Safest way is to keep your heels grounded, chest lifted. Use props such as blocks to place under your heels if needed. Hold the pose for 30 to 40 breaths. Save this reel, comment yoga if you want to see more such reels.